where your adventure awaits. Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this brand new floor plan. This is a 2024 Keystone Cougar 260MLE. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hop on over and leave us a review on Google saying how much you love our videos. Now, let's get started. Starting out on our entertainment side, you do have a nice long awning out here. This is going to keep you nice and shaded on those hot summer days. Also, there is an LED strip that spans the whole length of that awning. So if you want to use this outdoor entertainment space at night, you can do that as well. We also do have an indoor-outdoor speaker system, so you can listen to music both inside and outside. And let's check out one more cool feature on this side. We are on our lot right now, so sorry I am tucked in here a little bit, but don't worry, I'm about to show you this outdoor kitchen. This opens up and you do have a mini fridge in here, and you also have a griddle. Now, let's check out the storage space. In the front of your Cougar, you have this massive pass-through storage space. This is where you're going to keep all your hoses and other outdoor stuff. Maybe you could even throw some lawn chairs down here as well. They've also made it nice and easy to clean out down here, so if things do get dirty from being outside, you can wipe this down really easily. Also down here, we do have an LED light. We have another light over there, and you also have your convenience bay. That's going to be all your hookups and things that you're going to need while you're at the campground. Now, let's move on to the inside. When you first walk in your Cougar, up the stairs and to the right is your in-command touchscreen control panel. This is where you control all your lights, your awnings, and your slides, and it's all in this one easy-to-use place right here. Also, down the stairs in the bottom, there is a little shoe cubby right here. So when you first walk in, if you want to kick your shoes off and just hide them away under there, that's the perfect place to do that. Over here to the left is our indoor-outdoor speaker system. So those speakers I showed you outside, that is where you control those from. Now, let's take a look at the rest of the camper. Starting off in our living space, over here to the right, we do have kind of a butler's pantry catch-all area right here. Up above, there is storage, and this is a see-through glass, so you can kind of see what you have stored in there. Under here is the perfect catch-all area. Like I said, you can throw keys in there if you want to throw some phone chargers, just anything you want kind of at your entryway. Perfect space for that. Down below, there is a countertop space with electrical outlets. This is the perfect area for a coffee bar if you want to put your Keurig over here and kind of have everything cutesy and lined up. That's great. Down below, we have a little bit more storage, and to the left is the best part. This is your pantry space. So you open that up and you have plenty of shelving in there. This is perfect to store all of your groceries, full-size cereal boxes, or if you're taking your dog along with you, you can store their food right there in the bottom. Now, check out the rest of the living space. In one of your two sides, you have this nice theater seating option. This has a couple controls on here. It allows you to pull those feet back so you can sit back and watch the game and relax. We also have a couple of cup holders right here and a little storage compartment right here. This is perfect to store a smaller tablet, maybe some remotes or some other smaller items. And let's check out the TV that you're going to be watching the game from. Across from your side, you have your massive TV. They've given you this lovely smart TV, and I don't know if you guys can tell from that angle, but it is at kind of a slant, and I know you're wondering why. It's so you can see that perfectly from those seats because they are kind of down below eye level, and it also pulls all the way down so you can watch it from this level as well. When the TV is not down, you have this massive countertop space. This is perfect if you want to have a nice buffet style dinner. Down below, we do have our fireplace. This doubles as a light, so if you kind of want to use it as just a lighting fixture during the summertime, but it also works as a heat element during the winter. And Keystone has actually put in a little surprise right here, so let's check it out. This pulls out into a table, so you can use this as a dinette, dining option, or you can also use it as a desk if you have a couple little kids who need to work on their homework. They can do that, and actually stored underneath here are a couple of chairs that are included, so you can use those for your dining table. We also have an electrical outlet right here and a USB and USB-C port, so you can charge your laptop, computers, tablets, other items right there as well. Now, let's check out the kitchen. As y'all can tell, this kitchen is massive and absolutely beautiful. I love the coloring they've done in here. It just makes it feel really nice and at home. Starting off over here, we do have tons of cabinet space. This is perfect to hold all of your groceries or honestly your glassware or any other items you're going to want to take to the campground. You have plenty of space for it. Over here, we do have our microwave, and above that, they've given you a nice little storage space up there as well. Down below that, we have our typical 3-burner stovetop, and it does have a splash guard. We have an oven underneath, and let's pull this out and look. We also have this storage drawer right here. It's deep enough for a couple pots and pans, but honestly, you have so much cabinet space up here that you can put pots and pans up there as well. We have our sink over here with a retractable nozzle, and in this unit, they've given you tons of outlet space. There are a couple of these. It has electrical outlets, and it actually has a USB and USB-C port as well. More countertop space going across. There's another plug-in that I showed you guys, and here is one of my favorite parts. This pulls out, and they've given you 2 garbage cans, and in this upper drawer right here, they've given you a place to put your paper towels. Now, let's check out your fridge. In the same slot as your theater seats, you have this gorgeous black Furrion fridge. It's a fridge on this side and a freezer on this side, and as you can see, you have plenty of room in there. You can stock up for a week before you head out to the campground. Also in your kitchen living area, we do have a vent fan up here, so if you're cooking some greasier items and you kind of want all that air blown out, it's going to do that for you. You also do have a regular ceiling fan in here, so if it gets a little stuffy, you can easily turn that on and make it nice and cool in here. Now, let's check out the bathroom. Up the stairs and to the left is your full-size bathroom, and in here we do have a medicine cabinet over here with plenty of storage for all your toiletries behind it. Down below that, we have our sink, and off to the side, we do have some electrical outlets. So if you want to plug in an electric shaver, maybe a curling iron, you can do that. Down below is a couple drawers and another little storage thing to the side. Perfect to store all your toilet paper because we know you're going to need a lot of that at the campground. Over to the right, we do have a hanging bar for your towels. More storage over there for towels, other items you're going to want in the bathroom, soaps, all of that. We do have our step to flush toilet, and behind me we have this huge shower. This has plenty of head height in here, and it does have a skylight in here as well. We have lots of room to walk around, a nice glass door, a seat in here, and a couple of storage things to the side to set your soaps on, and it even does have a detachable shower head. Now, let's check out that private bedroom. Before we move on into the bedroom, I just wanted to tell y'all, when you're in travel mode, you can easily access your bathroom. You can honestly reach your fridge too, but it might be a little bit of a tighter squeeze for that. But anyway, let's move on to the bedroom. In your private bedroom, you have a king size bed with lots of storage back here. Over to the right, we do have an electrical outlet and a USB and USB-C port. Up above the windows, we do have a couple of shelves so you can set your phone up there or other smaller items like a book. Across from the bed, we do have a couple of drawers right there, but the real storage is over to my left in the closet space, so let's check that out. Behind me is a massive closet space. Up at the top, you do have little spaces to close your hangers in. You also have some shelving down here, perfect to keep all your shoes, or if you want to set some bags and stuff up top. Also over there on the right, you do have an electrical outlet and a USB and USB-C port, but you do have another closet over here. We have more shelving units over here, and this is actually washer dryer prepped. So if you're interested in this or any other unit in our Keystone line, make sure you give us a call or visit us at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.